I could have been doing. I could not have been doing. Could I have been doing? Could I not have been doing? What could I have been doing? What could I not have been doing? You could have been doing. You could not have been doing. Could you have been doing? Could you not have been doing? What could you have been doing? What could you not have been doing? He could have been doing. He could not have been doing. Could he have been doing? Could he not have been doing? What could he have been doing? What could he not have been doing? She could have been doing. She could not have been doing. Could she have been doing? Could she not have been doing? What could she have been doing? What could she not have been doing? It could have been doing. It could not have been doing. Could it have been doing? Could it not have been doing? What could it have been doing? What could it not have been doing? We could have been doing. We could not have been doing. Could we have been doing? Could we not have been doing? What could we have been doing? What could we not have been doing? You could have been doing. You could not have been doing. Could you have been doing? Could you not have been doing? What could you have been doing? What could you not have been doing? They could have been doing. They could not have been doing. Could they have been doing? Could they not have been doing? What could they have been doing? What could they not have been doing?